This video demonstrates how to generate the Intel HEX file and the Motorola S-record file for RL78 family on Visual Studio Code. For RL78 Smart Configurator project, open the generated src.cmake file under the cmake folder. Otherwise, open the cmakelists.txt file. For CC-RL project, scroll down to the codes to generate.mot file. Build the project. The Motorola S-record file will be generated under the build directory by default. To generate an Intel HEX file, comment out line 35. Copy and paste the command. Edit -form equals hex. Update the comment, then save the file. Build the project. When build is completed, the Intel HEX file will be generated under the build directory. In the LLVM for RL78 project, scroll down to the codes to generate.mot file. The Motorola S-record file is generated by default. To generate an Intel HEX file, copy and paste the commands. Modify the commands as shown to generate.hex file. Update the comment, then save the file. HEX file and S-record file are generated using Object Copy-O option in LLVM for RL78 project. Using -O SREC generates the file in the Motorola S-record format, while -O IHEX generates the file in the Intel HEX format. Build the project. When build is completed, the Intel HEX file and the Motorola S-record file will be generated under the build directory. For more details, refer to the GNU binary utilities.